Hi, good morning, children. Welcome back to our class. Children, in the previous class already we discussed about past tense and present continuous tense and some exercise also. Okay, then now I'm going to take a new lesson. The boy who never told a lie. The boy who never told a lie. ഒരിക്കലും കള്ളം പറയാത്ത ഒരു കുട്ടിയെക്കുറിച്ചാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ പഠിക്കുന്നത്. Look into the textbook. Take textbook page number 44. Textbook page number 44. First I will recite the stanza. After that I will explain. You see there. Once there was a little boy with curly hair and pleasant eye. A boy who always told the truth and never told a lie. And when he trotted off to school, the children all about would cry. There goes the curly-headed boy, the boy that never tells a lie. And everybody loved him so because he always told the truth. That every day as he grew up, there goes the honest youth. And when the people that stood near would turn to ask the reason why, the answer would be always this, because he never tells a lie. Here the poet is talking about a little boy. Once upon a time there was a little boy. So here the poet is talking about a little boy who had curly hair. Curly hair എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? ചുരുണ്ട മുടി അല്ലേ? Had a curly hair and pleasant eye. Pleasant means here happy. നോക്കിക്കേ, smiling, happy. അപ്പം once there was this poet is talking about a little boy who never told a lie, and he had a curly hair and pleasant or smiling eye. Then this boy always told the truth. He never tells a lie. Understand? This boy always told the truth. He never tells a lie. Then here the poet is talking about the boy who never told a lie. Understand? Always he speak the truth. So here the poet is talking about a boy. That boy had a curly hair. This boy always tells truth. He never tells a lie. Understand? He never speak or he never tells a lie. Always he speak. Always he tells truth. Okay, children. Then there goes the curly-headed boy, the boy that never tells a lie. There goes the curly-headed boy. He never tells a lie. So here all the children, you see there, and everybody loved him because he always told the truth. All the children appreciated this boy. Why all the children appreciated this boy? Because he talked about that he is the boy who never told a lie. Understand? All the children, they appreciated, abhinandichu ivane. Endukondana? Because always he speaks truth. He never told a lie. That every day as he grew up, was said there goes the honest youth. And when the people that stood near would turn to ask the reason why, the answer would be always this, because he never tells a lie. Here the people started calling him the honest youth. Understand? So in this next stanza, the people call him the honest youth. അല്ലേ? നല്ല സത്യസന്ധനായ ഒരു കുട്ടി അല്ലേ? അല്ല, സത്യസന്ധനായിരുന്നു എന്നാണ് ആൾക്കാർ അവനെ വിളിച്ചിരുന്നത്. And when the people that stood near would turn to ask the reason why, the answer would be always this, because he never because he never tells a lie. So here when the people who stood so there and asked the reason why, always everybody is calling him honest youth. Why everybody, all the children there, everybody is calling him honest youth? Because he never told a lie. Understand? Always he speak the truth. But children, once there was a little boy, then he had a curly hair and pleasant eye. Curly hair and pleasant eye, or smiling eye, or pleasant eye. Always speak the truth. He never tells a lie. Then the children called him, or the children appreciated. The children appreciated this boy because he never told a lie, or because he never tells a lie. Always he speaks the truth. Then the people, they call him honest youth. Why they call him honest youth? Because always he speaks the truth. He never tells a lie. Understand? നിങ്ങളും അങ്ങനെ ആയിരിക്കണം. നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും കള്ളം പറയാൻ പാടില്ല. ലൈ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? കള്ളം അല്ലേ? ഒരിക്കലും കള്ളം പറയാൻ പാടില്ല. എന്ത് പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും നമ്മൾ സത്യം മാത്രമേ പറയാവൂ. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഒരു കുട്ടിയെ കുറിച്ചാണ് ഇവിടെ നമ്മുടെ പോയിറ്റ് പറഞ്ഞത് അല്ലേ? ദ പോയിറ്റ് ഈസ് ടോക്കിംഗ് അബൌട്ട് എ ബോയ് ഹു ഹാഡ് curly hair and pleasant eye, and this boy never told a lie. Always he speak the truth. Then the children they appreciated this boy because he never told a lie. Always he speak the truth. Then people, they call him honest boy because he never tells a lie. Always he speak the truth. Okay children, so look at the meaning. First one, pleasant, smiling, happy. Pleasant, smiling, happy. Trotted off, walked. Trotted off, walked. These two meanings are there. Then answer the following. No need to study from this lesson. Then rhyming words I will give you. Okay, but the meanings and rhyming words you have to study from this lesson. But pleasant means smiling, happy. Trotted off, walked. Then rhyming words I will give you later. Children, read lesson 5. Okay, page number. You see there, page number 44 and 45. Homework. Read page number 44, 45. 3 times. Okay children, I am going to wind up the class. Thank you and have a nice day. Okay.